I'm Jana. As promised, this is my third We box. Oh, We Bargain box. We're gonna do an unboxing. First box was my Target shoes. I received it. It was an okay box. My second one was Target home decor. And this one is premium Target return. It cost me $125. I had a coupon code, so I paid $108 for it. Let's see if this is worth it. Let's see what I get. All right. By the way, if anybody wants a coupon code, like and subscribe, send me a comment, and I'll help you with a code. Box came half open. Everything's in there. All right. Okay. So, I got 4 empty spray bottles. These probably go for $1.99 each. Nothing I can resell, but I can definitely use it at the house, so I'm good with that. I got a real food for pregnancy test. Not pregnant. I can maybe sell this book, maybe $5, not more than that. Well, oh God, look at this. I got Glad Force Flex Protection, 90 bags. Looks like it was opened, probably a return, or maybe somebody opened it at the store. I don't know if I have bags missing, but it's pretty full. Definitely another item I can use for the house. Cannot sell it. So as for now, 2 items can't sell, but I'll keep them. I'll be good with that. Paper plates and the cheap paper plates. So 200 count, looks opened, not used, but definitely open. Another thing I can't resell, but I could definitely use it at the home. So right now, no good. All right. This says Amazon. This is supposed to be a Target return. It says Amazon on it. The other ones say Amazon. This must be an Amazon return box, not the Target one, which says was delivered today, so I have to check. I do not know what this is. And it has hair on it. I don't know what this is. Not worth anything. Probably go to the garbage. That's gross. Next. Oh, okay. I did order an Amazon box, but the tracking says it's the Target return box, so I'm very confused. But since I already ordered an Amazon box, I'll deal with it. So this is crystal balls in a gift box. Definitely return. The box is dirty. It's a crystal ball with little blue dots in it. Probably not much value either, so right now I am not liking this box. I'm not going to use this at all. Maybe I'll try to resell it, maybe in a flea market or something, but nothing that I can actually say, hey, I can sell this. So that goes in the pile in the maybe sell. All right. So we got office paper. This is basically $3.50. Not much work, but I'll use it for my office because I do use a lot of paper, so whatever. Can't sell that. All right. And this is Mrs. Mayer's Clean Day. Well, it's 3 Clean Day scent sachet, 60 days of fragrance essential oil. So basically, you can put this in your locker room, your closet, your drawers. Something that's also not a lot of money, but again, I could use it in the house. Looks like it got wet. The boxes, it was in the box, open, but it seems like they got wet. Again, something I could use for the house, nothing I can sell. Let's keep on going. Not happy with this box. Got a 2016 California Building Code Easy Tabs book. Nothing I can really do with it. Not sure if I can resell it. If it is, it's probably very little. Put it in the maybe box. Nothing near of my money coming back. This is a Legend Has Retired guest book. A book. Not much. This is stuff that does not have much value. I mean, again, $3 or $4, nothing major. It's going in the maybe pile. Gotta look it up. So this is my month 2020, basically a calendar book. Well, I guess I can write a little bit on it, but it's a calendar that I can't use. Maybe for scrapping. It's a 2020. Again, not a good profit. Oh, well, I know where this is gonna go. So this is a can opener. It looks like it's one of the cheap ones as well. It has no brand. Does not look used, but might be a return. It's no brand at all, but I'm gonna give this one to my sister. She needs one. And let's see. This is nothing on the box. I have no idea what this is. Looks cool. Just I don't know what it is. It seems like it's missing something. It doesn't say anything but a model number. I believe you probably can put something here. Maybe it's for a phone, but it's missing a piece where you can use it or something. Maybe pieces in here. We'll keep looking, but again, nothing I can resell. Nothing out of extreme value. So I have a bag of hand warmers. So we've got a whole bag of hand warmers. This is great to use for when I go back home to New Jersey. And it's cold. And I can just open them up and warm up. Again, another thing I can use. Nothing I can resell. This is basically stuff for the home. Yeah, look at this. Ziploc bags. Well, it's a mega pack at 60 freezer gallon. I am going to use it. So again, another item I can use for the house. It's not really open, it just looks smushed. Maybe somebody, or it was in, somebody returned it, or it could have been, you know, somebody stepped on it or something and it's here. I got a lot of stuff for the house. All right, we've got construction paper. This is something that's $3.99. This box does not have a lot of value, but it does have stuff I can use, and my daughter can use this for school projects or whatever it is. Okay. Sandwich Ziploc bags. This is not, I'm not happy with the bag. 150 bags. Again, this is very cheap. Another thing I can use for the house. So is it worth my $120 for right now? No, at all. Another book. This is online teaching. Maybe $3. This is not much. And now we have more Ziploc bags. 20 bags. This one does look open, like it's not really full. There's a few bags in there. If anybody wants to sell Ziploc bags, wants to buy them, I got them. All right, what's this? Ooh. Baseball cap shield. The cap is missing. Ooh. This is gross. This was used. This is basically to protect the cap, I guess. Gross. Don't want it. Garbage. All right. This is for my daughter. Stretchable book cover. This is 99 cents to $1.99. Again, nothing I can sell. All right, what do we got here? Oh, let's see. There's something heavy. Okay. Damp Aid Moisture Absorber. Lasts up to 60 days. I guess this is something to put in the bathroom so you don't have humidity. Open. It's not used though. The box is smushed. I don't know how much this goes for. I can't sell it. All this is stuff I can use for the house. Oh no! Not again. I have Ziploc bags for life. More Ziploc bags. This is a gallon. Ugh. Forget it. Well, I've got bags. Gift bags. This is useful again. $1 $1.99, 99 cents, nothing I can use. Let's see. Oh, I got another book cover. Garbage. And garbage, these are sticky notes. Office stuff. Garbage. Oh, I got something here. What's it? Oh! I got a Swiffer sweeper. Okay, that's basically a $19.99 value. It's not used, but it seems like they might have returned it, but not used. It has some bags, so some savings there for me, for the house, not selling it. Maybe I give it a gift to my sister. I think I have one. Okay, what is this? This is a Durafit Gasset size adjustable for your lens. This is basically these are like goggles. Okay, this might be good. They look good quality. I would have to look them up. Maybe I can sell them. Not really sure. We have to do the research, but nothing again that I'm excited about. And an empty box. Oh, here it goes, cables. Okay. Oh, this is good for my daughter. She breaks them. They're C cable, I believe. Got one, different sizes, small one, medium, larger, 4 of them. USB cables. And it's also an Amazon return, but they don't look used, so also very useful. And we have one more item in here. I got more garbage bags. So yeah, this is my box. Am I happy with it? No, I'm not happy. I can't really resell anything, and if I could, maybe $5 to $20. But I have garbage bags, Ziploc bags, stuff I can use around the house. Never buying this Amazon regular return, I think it is, or Target return. I have an electronics box coming, and I have 2 more boxes coming. I pretty much wanted to get 1 box of each to see if any of them were actually worth it. So far, the Target box with the shoes is winning. To me, it was the only one with some value out of my 3 boxes. Guys, I'll make another video once my 4th box comes and see if we get lucky. So far, 2 out of 1 is a no. No for reselling. For having fun, yes. I had fun opening the box, you know. It's always a surprise. You don't know what you're gonna get. But for reselling, it's a big gamble. Like my channel, please subscribe. Wait for that next video. Any questions, comment me. I got codes if you like and get a discount. Just send me a comment. Have a good one. Bye-bye.